This 2017 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra Lite 246 BHSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama, 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.